And we're going to start working on placing content, uh, learning where my stuff is that I'm putting on the code and how it should appear here. Right now you see I have a div with the word content and I've closed the div and it doesn't really look like much. In fact, if I were to just put content, it probably would appear, oh, well, no, it will appear exactly the same. So if I just put that div in place and have no styling, you don't really see or feel like you have a div. There's no real benefit. But over here, I've gone on ahead and prepared a style block. And I'm going to do a quick undo in this section. And you're going to notice when all of these styles are back in place, this content starts to show up different, and you even see the impact or the effects of the div container. Okay, now this is a div element. I'm literally saying any HTML div element, going ahead and apply these styles. Now the same thing can also be said, which is if I do a class equals container, then I don't really get anything out of there. So let's say that I say container. So first I'm gonna do it wrong on purpose. Container, and I'm gonna do this right here, and I'm gonna say color. I want my color, font color, to be red. And then I do that. It shouldn't turn the font color red. Or if I say font weight bold, it should not change it to bold. Why is that? Because a class over here, while it just says the word container, to get that container to show up and use the style, you need to actually put a period in front of the word container. Now all of that shows up red. Okay? So I want you to go on ahead and just build you a quick div, add some styles in place, and then feel free to copy the ones that I have here on screen and play around with just getting the word content inside of a div so that the div box shows up like it does here, something like that, and so that the words themselves reference a class. Okay? Go on ahead and get this built, and then in the next exercise we'll build on what we currently have by adding more divs, either nested inside of each other, or we will have them sitting side by side. All right, see you in the next video.